Hi everyone, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you the new ShowBox project, which is a presentation case with a series of RKB bearings inside. Each ShowBox is endowed with the technical documentation that explains the main feature of the bearing contained within. The bearing selection may be adjusted on request. By using the wedges, which were designed and 3D printed in RKB laboratories, it's possible to show them during the presentation and events. The ShowBox had its premiere at the BearingNet user meeting in Germany and in SEP exhibition in France, receiving considerable attention from visitors. It's currently available for viewing in our headquarters in Balerna, more specifically in the meeting rooms, showroom and the training room. Please contact our customer service or your reference person in RKB to request your own RKB case. Stay tuned for more details coming out soon. Bye!